In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Okhon, the Deputy Prime Minister, emphasizes on private sector's role in economic growth. The Afghan envoy in Doha meets with Gambia's newly appointed Special Ambassador for Afghanistan. And Israeli attacks on Gaza Strip continue amid mounting civilian casualties. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Tuesday, the 4th of Rajab 1448, the 27th of Asad 1405, and the 18th of August 2026. The news details. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Okhon, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, has stressed the importance of the private sector in strengthening Afghanistan economy. He's speaking at the ceremony marking the signing of an agreement to establish a joint stock company. Maulvi Brother stated that private sector should play a central role in boosting domestic production, creating employment opportunities, expanding export and financial major development projects. He added that the Islamic Emirates' objective is to create a favorable economic environment in which investors feel confident and are encouraged to invest in the country. Mohammed Suhail Shaheen, the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's ambassador in Doha, has met with Dr. Urooj, Gambia's ambassador designated to Afghanistan. The two sides discussed bilateral, political and economic relations, cooperation in various sectors, investment opportunities, and the existing prospects for trade and commerce between the two countries. The Gambian government recently appointed Dr. Urooj as its ambassador to Afghanistan. The news continuation. Mullah Muhammad Isa Sani, the Minister of Public Benefits, held talks with local officials during his visit to Baghlan province, focusing on the condition of roads, infrastructure projects, transportation routes, and the needs of the local residents. Based on the press office of Baghlan Provincial Administration, local officials briefed the minister on the problems and concerns of the people of the province. The Minister of Public Benefits emphasized the need to accelerate road construction and rehabilitation projects and called for greater attention to the transportation needs of the people of Baghlan. And ultimately, Gaza Health Ministry has reported that 5 people were killed and 18 others injured and transferred to hospitals across Gaza Strip over the past 48 hours as a result of Israeli attacks. The ministry stated that the number of victims remain trapped beneath the rubble of destroyed buildings. It added that civil defense teams have been unable to locate and rescue all the trapped due to the prevailing difficulties and limited operational capabilities. The news conclusion, blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.